everybody, welcome to another day of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world. Today we are going all the way to Norway. Yes guys, we are trying out Sandbakkels. I hope I have pronounced it well. Sandbakkels, guys. And I have made a little improvisation of the baking tins. I will show you what I'm going to use because I don't have the Sandbakkels tins to make these particular cookies, but that will not limit us. It will not prevent us from trying out this beautiful Christmas cookie from Norway. Welcome. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. So this is what you're going to use for our Norwegian Sandbakkels cookies. We have a few things, doesn't have a lot of things. In here, we have butter and some sugar. This is flour and some salt. I've already put some salt on top, an egg, and some almond extract. It's a quick one. So we'll start by beating our butter and our sugar together until fluffy and light. These are the tins that I talked about. I'm going to use these ones and hopefully they will work. Now we're going to add some almond extract and the egg, and we mix to combine. The recipe says the next thing we should add is the flour, and we stir until just combined. I think now I should use my hands. We are done. One thing about this particular recipe, you don't need to put your dough in the fridge. So once you're done making the dough, we are going to press it into our tins and then we bake. You're supposed to form this dough into balls, but I will do mine one tin at a time because I think I don't have a lot of tins. Once you form your dough into a ball like this, just need to roughly estimate according to the size of the tin. Then you use your thumb to press. Yeah, the first one, and I'm so on point. Wow, this is a blessing. Oh yeah, look at that. I did not oil or dust my tins because I didn't see where the recipe says that we should, but the recipe uses Sandbakkels tins, so hopefully mine will not backfire on me. Like I said, I know I'll have some dough remaining, so I will let this one sit here. Then I'll bake these ones first. Once they're done, I will bake the other dough because we only need 12 to 15 minutes for them to bake. So let me bake this batch first. I will show you how they'll turn out and then we'll bake the remaining one. Here's our first batch. I will let them cool for a while so that I can be able to remove Aki. Hopefully they won't get stuck. So moment of truth, they have cooled. Let's see if we'll be able to remove. Yes! Look at that beauty! Ah! Thank God. Just need to be boom! Boom, boom, boom! Yeah, yeah. So I will remove them, and then after that I'll put the remaining dough and then we finish. My second batch is out.